blustery, windy day here on Grandfather Mountain, and I'm going to take you all up by the swinging bridge so we can see what type of weather we get that causes the trees to grow the way they do up there. What you're seeing here is called rime ice, which forms when water droplets in the air freeze when they come in contact with a cold surface like the railings here. You'll have to excuse the shakiness of the video, but I'm sure you can tell why given the high wind speeds that I'm recording here. An anemometer is the tool that people use to measure wind speeds. This is a handheld anemometer that we use to monitor the winds up at the bridge for the safety of the guests. The highest wind speed ever recorded on Grandfather Mountain is 124 miles per hour, which was recorded in February of 2019. We do not use a handheld anemometer to collect official data on wind speed at the top of the mountain because they are not accurate enough at high speeds like this. In the winter, most of our wind comes from the north, and at hurricane forces like this on a regular basis, I hope it gives you a little insight into why the trees are flagged to the south up at the top of Grandfather Mountain.